Here's meteorologist TJ Del Santo with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Still find it hard to believe that we only got flurries from that storm system, and the bulk of it was well off to our south. Another one's coming in for Wednesday, and yes, the Mid-Atlantic will get it, and I think we'll get it this time as well. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar is nice and quiet right now. We've had plenty of sunshine throughout the day, but on Wednesday, we've got that live Pinpoint Doppler 12 weather alert. Wednesday morning to Wednesday night, winter storm watch for the potential for heavy snow and some strong winds. In the meantime, live city cam picture. We've got blue sky out there, some high clouds, 31 degrees. Wind chill factor feels like 19 with those winds from the west-northwest at 17 miles an hour. Caitlin Rice in Warwick saying the sun's setting. It's chilly, 31 degrees over there in Warwick, 28 in Coventry. High temperature for the day was 31 degrees earlier in the afternoon. They've got a feel like temperature dipping down to around 20 degrees at times. About 30 in Taunton now, 30 in New Bedford, Newport, Westerly, right around the freezing mark. Satellite radar combination showing some patches of clouds off to our north. That may swing on through a little bit later in the night, but generally we're looking at a starry night and quiet night. Satellite radar combination showing the relatively quiet conditions here in southern New England. That'll continue through the night and actually into the daytime tomorrow as well. We'll start off with sunshine, but as that big storm approaches, we're going to be seeing these clouds kind of overspread our skies throughout the course of the afternoon hours. But I think we're going to be dry during the day tomorrow and actually through tomorrow night. I don't think the snow is going to start until sometime on Wednesday morning, perhaps even after the morning commute on Wednesday. But that storm passes off to our south and brings with it a whole bunch of energy, enough that we're going to be seeing some periods of heavy snow and some very strong winds perhaps gusting as high as 40-45 miles an hour, even in the Providence area, and that could lead to some whiteout conditions. We'll be watching the storm closely. Mainly clear skies this evening, cold and dry, temperatures falling through the 20s, overnight lows 18 to 24 degrees with some clouds around. Mainly sunny and cold for your morning commute tomorrow, 18 to 27 degrees, and then during the afternoon we'll be finding temperatures topping out in the mid-30s with sunshine. Still looking quiet tomorrow. No snow anticipated for Tuesday. 36 in Cranston and Warwick, Barrington and Riverside, looking quiet weather with temperatures fairly seasonable in the mid-30s. 35 in Charlestown, Coventry around 35 degrees with sunshine. Dry weather up in northern Rhode Island as well, around 34 degrees or so. Southeastern Mass will be finding temps topping out about 34, 35 degrees or so in Fall River, Taunton, and New Bedford. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12, 7-day futurecast. There's that storm on Wednesday, likely beginning after the morning commute, heavy at times through the evening commute. That could be a mess on Wednesday. Maybe a little bit of rain mixing in at the south coast as well. How much? Don't want to put a number on it now. If I had to take a guess, I'd say we could potentially be up around a foot of snow in some parts of the area. That's how serious it is. I don't want to pinpoint anything yet. That's a better had tomorrow. Thursday, Friday, even through the weekend, through Valentine's Day, looking at quiet weather. And you can get your updated Futurecast at WPRI.com 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
And you'll be watching that storm for us. All right. Thanks, TJ.